Hello guys, this is Crypto Chili, and in this video we want to explain the difference between coins like Bitcoin, ETH, Binance Coin, and tokens like Shiba Inu, ApeCoin, and Mana. So let's get started. The short answer to the question often given is that a coin runs natively on its own blockchain, while a token uses a blockchain of a coin. Sounds confusing? We can sort this out. Let's take one step back and briefly recall what a blockchain is. In the following, we will use Ethereum as example. Ethereum is a network of computers, also called nodes, that are connected via the internet. Each node runs a software called an Ethereum client that implements the Ethereum specification. Of course, the Ethereum network also has users which have accounts. Here Alice and Bob as examples. An account address, a long sequence of zeros and ones, identifies an account. Account addresses of new users are created by themselves, or rather by the wallet applications they are using. Alice and Bob own some ETH, the native coin for Ethereum. ETH is native to the blockchain because it is implemented by the Ethereum specification. All the nodes in the network know the ETH balances of Alice and Bob. Now Alice wants to send Bob 1 ETH. To do this, she uses her wallet to initiate a transaction, a message that is sent to the Ethereum network. This transaction contains different fields of information. As receiver, Alice puts Bob, she adds herself as the sender, and the amount of 1 ETH that she wants to send. There are other fields, especially the data field, that will become important when we talk about tokens. Now the transaction is handed over from Alice's wallet to an Ethereum node that distributes the transaction further to other nodes on the network. After a short time, the transaction has reached all the nodes in the network, and the ETH amount is deducted from Alice's account and credited to Bob's account in all the nodes. By the way, we have ignored the mining process here to keep it simple. Okay, now we know what ETH is and that it is the native coin on Ethereum, but what is a token on Ethereum like Shiba Inu, ApeCoin or Mana? In the previous example, Bob's account was the receiver of Alice's transaction. On Ethereum, there is one other kind of receiver of a transaction called smart contracts. You can think of smart contracts as computer programs that are executed when a transaction is sent to its address. Smart contracts for the Ethereum blockchain can be programmed in different languages. One popular language is Solidity. After a contract has been implemented, it is installed on the blockchain with the help of a transaction. In this case, the data field that we have seen earlier in Alice's transaction contains smart contracts code. Anybody can install a smart contract on Ethereum. You just need to send a corresponding transaction to the Ethereum network. And the token on Ethereum is implemented as smart contract. This means that anybody can create a new token. So let's look inside such a token smart contract. Here we see the smart contract that implements a new token called Monster Token. It consists basically of two parts, the token implementation and a table that stores the amount of Monster Token owned by the different accounts. Because so many people want to implement token on Ethereum, there is a standard available called ERC20 that defines a set of functions that needs to be there for a fully functional token. Now Alice wants to send Bob 2 Monster Token. She again uses her wallet application to create a transaction. This time the recipient is not Bob's account address, but the address of the smart contract of the Monster Token. The sender is again Alice. The value field remains empty because we do not want to send ETH. Now the data field contains the information what Alice wants to do, send 2 Monster Token to Bob, which leads to the execution of a transfer function in the smart contract. Here we see Alice's transaction in the Ethereum network. The transaction is processed by the Monster Token smart contracts in all the nodes in the network. The transaction does not change the ETH balances. If we want to see the changes made by the transaction, we need to look into the Monster Token smart contracts. Again, we see into one instance of the smart contract that implements the Monster Token. After Alice's transaction has been processed, which means that the transfer function has been executed, Alice owns 1 Monster Token and Bob owns 3 Monster Token. To summarize this video again, the key differences between coins and token. As we have seen, while coins are supported by blockchains by design, tokens require additional functionality like smart contracts. Coins are implemented by the developers of the blockchain. Token, on the other hand, can be created by anybody. There is only one coin for a blockchain, but there can be many tokens implemented on a particular blockchain. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.